Don't mess with my spirit.
Don't mess with my spirit.
You can't touch my soul. Nah.
You can't touch my soul. Nah.
Say I was born to gon' get it, get it.
I was born to gon' get it, get it.
Say whoop, there it is. Yo.
Whoop, there it is. Yeah.
Hello. How you doing? How you doing? Today is spring cleaning. Is spring over in about a week? Yes. Are we still gonna do spring cleaning right before summer starts? Yes. So it's actually been a busy, long Saturday, and I'm just now about to spring clean my place. I woke up, worked out at 7 a.m., took a fitness class at 8:30 a.m., then did some laundry, posted a YouTube, ate a big breakfast, took a nap, and now we're ready to spring clean. Is that how you know you're supposed to do it? No. I planned on starting at 9, but then, you know, life happened. So anyways, I'm gonna go through all my things. I'm gonna show you what my place is looking like right now. Normally I keep it clean, but you know, it's one of those weeks, and when instead of just doing a regular clean, I'm like deep clean. Whenever I have a week of like my place is a mess, instead of doing a regular clean, it's a deep clean. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. Usually takes me about 3 hours. I have like 6 sections of my place, and it takes me about 30 minutes each section. I just try to be really organized that way instead of just being like, I have no idea how long this is gonna take. I'm like, no, each section takes 30 minutes, you're done in 3 hours. Okay. So I'm gonna show you what things look like first, and you're not gonna judge me because you came for a cleaning video, not an already clean video. Okay, you could already just see things are not in their place. Let me show you where we're starting. Okay, be nice, be nice. So this is where we're starting, right at my door. Oh, you guys are kind of getting a studio tour. I still have to get that coming for you, but I have so many things I want to do. But anyways, this is how we're starting, okay? I wish I could just do one of those videos, but you know, it still looks like this. So at the door, we have the area where I drop off my keys and all that stuff I need to clean, donate things. So I've done that part of spring cleaning. I've gotten a whole bunch of clothes I want to give away. And then all my shoes stay at the door because we do not wear shoes inside the house. I really wish I could keep these outside, but I don't want no one to steal my shoes. So anyways, here, then the first thing I do that I'm gonna clean is my desk area. It's so dirty. I wish I could just, let's try it. Nope, it's still there. Okay. And then we make our way on over to the living space area. So this is the chair, the couch. I pretty much 24/7 just have my yoga mat out because I stretch every morning, and then I just figured, why roll it up for what? But I probably should start doing that now. So that's just this, and then I'll probably wipe down all that area. So all this needs to be, and that's just like, this is just unnecessary. Like, what is this? I haven't worn those shoes in like 8 months, so why are they even ready by the door? The most frequent shoes I usually try to keep here, the ones I wear the most often, but during quarantine, I've been wearing, for the past year, I've worn 2 pairs of shoes. But anyways, and then we make our way over. It gets worse. Don't worry, it gets worse. Bam. And that's DIY stuff I need to figure out. That's stuff that should go in my trunk, but I just got my car cleaned. And I just bought toilet paper, random stuff. And then my beds, these are like clean clothes that I need to put away. And then I just washed my sheets, so I need to. Yes, my bed area. It's so safe. It's so not okay. It's not okay. Okay, then we make our way on over to the kitchenes. I had a delicious breakfast. So that's what that's about. This is all just from today. I usually don't keep dishes longer than 24 hours. But look at this. Look at this. Like, I was wiping down stuff. Look at this. What is this? Not okay. I'm not even going to show you this side because that's a whole DIY project. Everything's a project that I'm going to be doing. But like, I need to recycle. And what is this? What is this? This is what I say to myself. What is this? This is mess. Okay. I mean, this was part of the desk area. You saw that. Then we make our way to the closet. So the closet is just looking like, it's usually the floor in the closet, honestly. Random things up there that just aren't in place. Random drop-off area. So yes, getting this together. The closet is just not okay. The bathroom. Ooh, is this a light? Random things on the countertop, not okay. Dirty mirror. Hello. Yeah. So let's get that together. I mean, I don't really have anything on my bathroom floor because I don't like anything on my bathroom floor besides hair from brushing my hair. So, bad habit. I need more hooks. That's just a bralette. It's not a real bra, so don't worry about that. Oh, this is pretty much the dirtiest part of the bathroom, the countertop. So first things first is the desk area. I'm gonna spend 30 minutes doing that. And note to self, make sure you eat, make sure you have energy, because if you don't eat, you're gonna stop your deep cleaning halfway through. And no excuses, no excuses. So mine I ate a little bit too well, and I took a nap, but now that I'm fed, there's no stopping us.
Don't mess with my spirit.
Don't mess with my spirit.
You can't touch my soul. Nah.
You can't touch my soul. Nah.
Say I was born to gon' get it, get it.
I was born to gon' get it, get it.
Say whoop, there it is, yo.
Whoop, there it is, yeah.
Don't mess with my spirit, yeah. You can't touch my soul, nah. I was born to gon' get it. I was born to gon' get it. There it is. Whoop, there it is. I think I found my mojo. Whoa, whoa, mojo, jojo. Oh no, I'm about to let my soul glow. Eddie Murphy, I'm delirioso.
Step back, and miss me with your tie. No rat, no rat, no rat. I'm gonna live my life. No lie, no lie, no lie. My future extra bright. Big blast, I burn my life. Austin Dean and I'm on the track. Play the ook and yeah, I rap. I'ma stack my platinum plaque. I'ma stack my platinum plaque. My genre is island trap. Don't mess with my spirit. You can't touch my soul. No. I was born to gon' get it. I was born to gon' get it. There it is. Don't mess with my spirit. You can't touch my soul. No. I was born to gon' get it. I was born to gon' get it. There it is. There's energy in this energy. So don't mess with my melody. I get it, it's a situation. But you can't touch my situation, cause I illuminate and illustrate. So don't debate on what you see. Wanna negotiate for a critic's sake. I be in a pipe, Will Chamberlain. No chains on me. That chain gang gon' rip it clean. Squad up, got up, so make noise and be unique. Never lack, bump that, my rap smack. And bat, when I slap back, ain't a cap, tech the track. I'm in the laps, new cats in the hat, get a snap back. When I yak my bars trap, kidnap, green stack. Ooh, we can bring back, I need that. Back to back, like the lamp, shark attack. Tick tack, spit back, some on the map. Did you catch that? When I switch that, right tap at that. Brought it back in the tracks, on the tracker, back and crack. That dude rap, wiggity, wiggity, whack. Got ate like a sneakity, sneakity snack. Took a break like a kickity, kickity cat. My genre, island trap. Don't mess with my spirit. You can't touch my soul. Nah. I was born to gon' get it. I was born to gon' get it. There it is. Don't mess with my spirit. You can't touch my soul. I was born to gon' get it. I was born to gon' get it. There it is. Get it. 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 Baby, we should go outside. Can I just spend some time? Frequency, I feel your vibe. Can I just spend the night? Baby, we should go outside. Can I just spend some time? Frequency, I feel your vibe. Cause you are.
Never been a girl.
Never.
Been a girl. Never been a girl.
Vibe, cause you are.
Never been a girl.
Never.
Been a girl. Never been a girl.
Vibe, cause you are.
The baddest little thing that I ever seen. You a murderer, a walking crime scene. You a naughty girl with angel wings. Melt in my mouth, Krispy Kreme, but you more clean like a vegetarian. I'm an animal, be my veterinarian. I'm a soldier, baby, veteran. You can be my Wendy, I'll be your Peter Pan. We should go on a vacation. We should go on a vacation. Use more than imagination. Use more than imagination. Baby, we should go outside. Can I just spend some time? Frequency, I feel your vibe. Can I just spend the night? Baby, we should go outside. Can I just spend some time? Frequency, I feel your vibe. Vibe, cause you are.
Never, never, never been a girl.
Never, never
Been a girl. Never, never, never been a girl.
vibe, cause you are.
Never, never, never been a girl.
Never, never
Been a girl. Never, never, never been a girl.
vibe, cause you are. Queendom to my kingdom night. A smart girl that go dumb, that's wifey. Got a booty with ambition and smiling. You're my quarantine partner for the ride. Co-pilot, double-sided, non-violent. You the writer, champagne and apple cider. I'm your Amy Ryder, who get you excited. Go ahead and scream, I like your excitement. Can we go outside and shake it for your masters? Shake it cause you thick as hell when you got your bachelor's. 2 times, 3 times just for Dr. Ashford. 4 times, 5 times, shake a little faster. I'm really proud of you. I see you doing your thing. Baby, we should go outside. Can I just spend some time? Frequency, I feel your vibe. Can I just spend the night? Baby, we should go outside. Can I just spend some time? Frequency, I feel your vibe. Vibe, cause you are.
Never, never, never been a girl.
Never, never
Been a girl. Never, never, never been a girl.
vibe, cause you are.
Never, never, never been a girl.
Never, never
Been a girl. Never, never, never been a girl.
vibe, cause you are.
Never, never, never been a girl.
Never, never
Been a girl. Never, never, never been a girl.
vibe, cause you are.
Never, never, never been a girl.
Never, never
Been a girl. Never, never, never been a girl.
vibe, cause you are. La la la. I can be my own superhero. Through the bad times, I'll make it. I believe I can save myself. I'll use my strength. I can fly away. I'll use my strength.
We're at my front door. Are you ready? And as you can tell, there's nothing here. Yes. No shoes here. Yes. Oh, should I just do the snap thing? Let me try that.